Omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni omurundo gundi akwatire ebendera ekibiina eki ekiro ky'erizooba yasiba mu bicweka bya Pada hamwe na Kitgum arikusherura obuhagizi kandi n'abakono bamwereka obuhagizi bw'amaani. Obyaba nashoborra aha bintu ebimwe by'ekibiina ekya NRM bibazo kuhikaho hamwe n'ebirikwetagisa okukorebwa orukyamani w'ekibiina ekya NRM omu disitulikiti ya Pada Honorable Rorira Okereyota kandi omurundo gundi ari omu ishengero habwa disitulikiti egi yashoborra ngu Enguuto hamwe n'ebyamagara omu disitulikiti egi bikiri ahansi munonga ekiyashaba omwebembezi w'ihanga okubaasa okubijuka nabo akabakoraho.
I cannot stand here and not appreciate you for women emancipation and empowerment. Your Excellency, the women are grateful. Uganda is rated highly on women empowerment.
We just want to confirm to the people of Pade that where there is Museveni, there is a hope for everything. I'm sure the next time the president will come to Pade, we shall be driving on the tarmac on this road.
President Museveni yahaya ngu naje kwongera okombeka hamwe n'okutungura amarwariro agarukumara omu disitulikiti egi kiyambeho kumaraho omuhendo gw'abantu abarikufa ahabakuremererwa okutunga obujanjabi oburukumara ekirikureetera abantu bingi okufa.
There are one health center for
Health Center Mangwen, Chiel,
and 13 health centers it is.
Health Center 3, Tiapa, we are there.
There are 9 sub-counties without health center 3s.
Sub-county of Mangwen, Mapereki Health Center, may are there.
And in the coming Sanja, we are going to ensure that those which don't have health center 3s get, and you also get a district hospital.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga aha nshonga y'Enguuto yajumirira ekikorwa ekyabo boona ba engineer ab'Enguuto abarikukora binkwatire ki bakarema okuteekamu zaamaramu ekyari kugira ngu enjura k'erikugwa nyamwingi eshiisha Enguuto ezo ezibarikuba bakozire kubi.
I'm going to quarrel with some of the people involved because first of all, if it is a tarmac road, maintain it as a tarmac road. Don't allow it to deteriorate fast.
Anyway, ebida ke jo mogo manok yo kadumtin yo lam ke gwak chalo yo lam periti ke tichukana.
If it is maram, maintain it as maram because maram also is good if you maintain it properly.
Wa yo man me ke wonyo gwenye ke toroni ka ke gwak ko mabe beniti mabe.
I see carelessness in the maram roads.
Ogundi murundi yashobora ngu naija kushashura abantu ab'ebicweka ebi okubaririgira abo boona abaferirwe ente zaabo omu bwire bw'entaro ezabaire zihindwirwe karungu omu kyanga eki.
The cows in Teso, Lango, Acholi were eaten by the rebels. We tried to restock.
Anytime me restocking ikinukan.
But along the way, some people, you know, Uganda, you have got so many people. Some lawyers came in that they opened a case against the government. Well, I didn't agree fully with them, but you know me, I like peace.
Ogu yamaririza kushaba abantu omu kicweka eki okwejumbira omu bintu ebirikureeta entunguuka omu maka gaabo. Gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano.